Wow.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'm in my car with Sam and we are going to take like an hour-and-a-half trip up to Joplin and we're gonna go ride their skate park. We're gonna film, we're gonna see what's going on. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Greyson Roberts. Go check out my merch, bostonindustries.co. Links in the description. We got lots of new stuff. Go check out my clothing brand and I'll see you in Joplin. We've been driving for like 45 minutes and I had to pee really bad and I was like empty on gas. So we stopped at this random gas station. It's so sketchy. It's called Shop and Stop. I don't know where we're at, but we're on the way. We're like halfway there. Got another like 45 minutes to go. Fun.
I believe it's Stop and Shop.
What did I say?
Shop and Stop.
Shop and Stop or shop? Wait, what? What did I say?
Shop and Stop.
What is it?
Stop and Shop.
Oh shit, it's Stop and Shop. You're right, Sam. You're right. We gotta get out of here. I totally forgot to tell you guys about my rash. You saw it yesterday's video, but it's like, I don't know. You tell me, is it getting worse? Is it getting better? It feels a little bit better. So hopefully it's getting better, but I took my medication this morning and for this afternoon. So I think it's I don't know. It's disgusting is all I know. What do you think? Would you lick it? For me?
Maybe.
Finally, after so long, after like an hour-and-a-half of driving, we arrived to the skate park. I'm vlogging, sorry. Okay, we're gonna go test it out and then we'll get the camera. How windy is it right now?
A billion miles an hour.
It's so windy. Probably didn't even hear you say that because it's so windy. Not too close, I have a rash. We'll go Smith up to a rashy. We'll go Smith up the ledge, nosy the top, and then we'll just bar air and over pegs the down rail. You'll see. Follow me. But yeah, I can't say anything because it's not gonna hear because it's windy. When I went top, it's a Smith and the wind blew me off. I think I'm gonna have to wait for it to die down when I go each time. So I can't balance right now. Let's do over pegs hard 180 down this rail. Okay. Okay.
Wow. Are you okay?
Destroy my wrist. I have to like stop riding for a period of time to let my wrist heal. I'll give it like one more go, then we're just doing it and taking it easy. Nope.
Whoa.
We're gonna have to use tricks that are less smooth or more smooth, no grinds or anything. That's just that just hurts. So we'll truck this, rashy, truck that pyramid, and then come back this way and whip it. Let's try. And it didn't hurt. If you can see it, like, you can tell, but it's like, this is really swollen already. Dick.
Whip air.
I give it a few tries from the bank quarter. But that's like my worst thing. I can't whip air, but we'll try it. It's so windy. See how windy this is right now? See how swollen this is? We're just pushing through. Rashy. What you doing a bri flip? I need to take a break.
A bri flip?
Yeah.
Where at?
I don't know. They can't hear you though, that's all I know.
Look at that one right there.
Alright, let's go. It's so windy.
Fuck this wind.
Right? The wind, right?
I can't skate for shit.
Me either.
Dude, I bet you got a fucking bike for the wind.
Yeah, it's like a wall.
Whoa, fuck, see?
Almost.
It's so windy.
I know. Oh, Almost.
Hey, okay, so that guy over there, he asked if we were vlogging. He's like, hell yeah, dude, support that shit. I told him your name.
Hey.
So, fucking done with that.
You're done?
Oh,
The
maybe
one
not.
clip?
No.
Fail?
Oh!
Ashy.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Get freaking right. Putting the camera away, I can't hear shit. God.
That's like if the wind blew the camera out from my hands and just.
If the wind blew the camera out of your hands, I wouldn't even give a shit because it's not like we can use it anyway. We're hiding from the wind. I'm kinda rashy. Look at all that dust being kicked up from the wind if it'll ever focus. Look at all that dust everywhere. It's kind of settled down now, but it was blowing like crazy. All right, guys. Okay, so I went and rode the scooter and instead of bikes because it was just like, it was so windy. So I just shredded on the scooter for a little bit. And I was getting airs. I was learning how to air a scooter. And I just boosted the quarter, boosted it, and just went straight to flat. So we just left, but my skin is actually just murdering me right now. It feels so bad. I think we just pulled off for like, we're halfway back now. We're not even in Joplin. We're in Mount Vernon, I think. I think that's where we're at. But oh yeah. We are in Mount Vernon, 'cause guess where we're at? Did you guess it? Did you guess it? The freaking Stop and Shop, guys. We are back, and Sam's driving. I'm in the passenger seat right now. Can you believe that we are back at the Stop and Shop?
Really?
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, buy your merch so I can buy my rash ointment. Thank you.